So it's 9 o'clock at night and we just finished doing a crazy special job on this 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor edition. And man, I gotta tell you guys, from performance to speed, this is unbelievable. Just take a look at these coilovers, the size of these things in the front and in the back. All Fox. Anyhow, so as you can see, the bottom of this thing is glowing white, and we'll give you a demo of the new series of underglow LED available from XK Glow called the Alpha X series. And so right now, as you can see, we're in white. This is a little photo of the app, and we'll go through some colors: blue, purple, red, etc. Some of the cool features about this is that you can actually tell which LED rock light or strip light what you want them to do separately. As you can see, for example, in each wheel well we installed 2 rock lights, and we've got a series of LED tubes right across the vehicle underneath, which creates an unbelievable glow. So let's go to some of the special features of this, and we'll show you. You go into here, and let's add some color. Right now it's only white. So we're creating a new series. You can't see that very well. Okay, so, okay, there we go. So let's add red, white, you hit the plus sign, and blue. And we could start with chasing, for example. And look what this will do. It chases the 3 colors. You can speed it up, you can slow it down, and it's got an eternity amazing an array of different features and themes that you could do. So for example, this is the rainbow. And there was a cool one that we saw before. For example, that's the center strobe. Egad, somebody gonna get pulled over really quickly with this one, aren't they? Let's add maybe a couple more colors, or put some green in there. So there we go. So we added some green and some purple, and as you can see, it's chasing right around the vehicle. We'll go through some other modes, and like I said, you can slow them down, you can quicken them up, just like that. You can also lower and raise the brightness of this thing. And let's try some of the features that we had before, man. So that's the center strobe, burst chase, carousel, so it's going right around the vehicle, ping pong, shooting star, that's kind of cool. Goes around the vehicle, gives a couple of bursts. That's the chasing strobe, so it chases and strobes at the same time. That's the color band, so now it's going right around the vehicle. Look at that, that's really incredible. And as you can see, we got some powerful LED lights in front of the building, and so the parking lot is lit up. And the power on this thing is just unreal. Very, very bright. Each tube 100% waterproof. The connectors are nice and solid with rubber gaskets. All of them are encased in a Lexan tube, so water, salt doesn't get in there. Perfect for Montreal winters. And let's try something else. Let's see what he's doing now. You can also have the theme going to the music or to by speed. Let me get on the other side so I can get a better view of it. There we go. So now he's just going through a series of different options. The rainbow, the scanner, Anyhow, so that's just a short video just to show you guys this incredible new kit. Man, this is gonna cause some craziness in those underglow competitions that we have here in town. So there you go, XK Glow, look it up. We have an enormous inventory. Come and see us. I'm sure you'll see this truck in a couple of shows coming to a place near you.